It's been a long working day at the office, but I am invited to the party tonight. The one that you have to look a certain way, so bright makeup is a must. My office dress code is very strict, so there was no way I could do the party look in the morning. And I don't want to waste time going home to change, so I'll do the transformation of my look right here at work. To be honest, I don't need much time for that and only a couple of products that I took with me from home. Hello everyone and welcome to ANYVA Beauty Channel. My name is Anastasia and today we're gonna be doing a quick and easy from work to party makeup and hairstyle transformation. So what's the plan? I need a little touch-up for the face makeup and I definitely need more color on the eyes. So I will add it to my existing little wing eyeliner to save time. And for hair, I want something to go well with my intense eye look. I don't have any hot tools with me, so I think the slick ponytail will work. Okay, so let's get started. I'm starting with the face and I don't have time to redo my makeup completely, so I'm gonna work with what I have. First, I take a makeup remover wipe to clean up certain areas. I want to renew a concealer, so I'm removing the old one from my under eye, my nose, and from the area around the lips. By the way, if you want to see how I did my office makeup look, I will link the video in the description bar below. Then I'm using a wipe to remove the eyeshadow. I want to apply a cream product to this area and I need it to be nice and clean. But I'm gonna keep this little wing eyeliner on because it will be a base for our new makeup look. And when it's done, I apply a creamy concealer. I'm doing a kind of eye framing first. I apply a concealer to the brow bone and a bit to my lid to fill the empty areas. Then I apply it to my nose, to the area around the lips and blend. I avoid the under eye area for now, but I'll finish it later when the look is complete. I like the light and creamy concealer formulas for touch-ups because it can easily blend to the existing foundation and refresh the look. When the concealer is perfectly blended, we are moving to the fun part, the tape. For today's look, I'm gonna be using a makeup tape. I'm taking a piece and placing it to my hand first, so it will be more gentle with my under eye skin. After that, I place the tape right under my eyeliner, as close to the line as I can. And the same for the other eye, trying to keep the same direction. Perfect, we got the template and it's time to add the color. I grabbed from home my bright blue gel eye pencil. That one that you purchased in a makeup store because you like the color but never used it, But today's the day. I apply the product to my outer corner right upon the eyeliner and create a kind of triangle. I don't go too high to the crease to save the space for blending. And when it's done, I'm using a brush to blend the edges before the pencil is set. apply a bit more product on top to make the color more bright. Blend it all together and I'm good. Okay, the same thing for the other eye. This pencil blends nicely on my almost bare skin, and it's very long-lasting. When the shape is done, I use a fluffy concealer brush to clean up everything. Great, we got the color and it's time to add the shine. I took my mini eyeshadow palette with me and I'm gonna be using this nice silvery sparkle. I apply it with a flat brush to my lid very gently, trying to avoid massive sparkles fall out. But the formula is good and creamy, so I don't have to worry. I blend the silver shade to the blue area a bit to create a nice transition. And when it's done, I apply the product to my inner corners. I think Rihanna is starting to play in my head. Okay, now I want to blend the blue color with the silver shade under my brows. So I apply it with the blending brush and gently polishing it into the skin. This sparkle is on a transparent base, so you can only see it when it catches the light. But it gets a nice effect and makes the look complete. Cleaning up and it's done. Great, now let's renew the eyeliner. I'm using a liquid black eyeliner, the same as I used in the morning, and duplicating the line on the lid. When the line is nice and bold, I elongate it and keep drawing right on the tape. Thanks to this trick, I don't need to worry that I mess up with these harsh lines. And the same for the other eye. Keep in mind that they need to look alike. Perfect, so we are moving to the most exciting part. I'm removing the tape, trying to be gentle with my skin, and look how flawless the result is. What a perfect line! Love it! So now let's finally clean up the under eye and add a bit of concealer. I'm using a makeup wipe to get rid of any sparkles, fallout, and harsh line after the tape. And when it's done, I apply concealer to my under eye area and a bit to the center of the face. Blending everything with a brush and my fingers, and look how cute the makeup is. I love how delicate and bright it looks at the same time. Okay, we are on the finish line and it's time to set everything with a powder. I'm using my go-to compact translucent powder. I apply the product with a small fluffy brush to the key areas to set it more precisely. And when it's done, I'm using a puff to add it all over the face. Perfect, let's move to the lips. For today's look, I'm using my pink Plumping lip gloss. My lips look fresh and juicy, and it doesn't take much time. Speaking of time, I am almost late, so let's finish the hair and go. So what we got? I have a simple ponytail with cute curly ends today, but for the party I want something more stylish. So I think we can transform this relaxed ponytail into the slick one. I'm removing my elastic and making the center line. I don't have a special hairbrush with me today, but I managed it anyway. Today I have my hair gel with me. I apply the product on the top of my head and spread it all over the hair. I pay more attention to the areas on my back and on the sides because my hair has different sections with different lengths, and I want to make sure I can keep it together. When it's done, I use my regular hairbrush to spread the gel and create a nice ponytail. And when I'm finally happy with the shape of the ponytail, I can use my finishing brush to make the look perfectly slick. The good thing with this hairstyle is that you can do it even if your hair is not super fresh, but you still get a great result, perfect after a long working day. Great! Now all I need to do is hold the hair with an elastic. Wow, the hair looks so good! I spread the gel leftovers to my ends and look at this beautiful shine. Okay, the look is complete. It was so fast and the product I used easily fitted to my purse. Perfect! I have a minute to change the outfit and I'm ready for the party. I'm so happy that I decided to transform the look because now it is so bright compared to the office look I had before. Remember? Party all night. Thank you for being with me today. Feel free to share your body makeup life hacks in the comments down below, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and make sure you're subscribed to my channel so you will not miss my next upload. Have fun tonight. Bye!